Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the for Motorola web browsers and the Motorola Edge 14 Pro. So, the first one, Firefox. In this web browser, just click here on this welcome screen on the zero mask, or if you have any tab open it, click on the tab icon, switch to the zero mask, and click on the plus private. That's it. The next one, Adobe Edge. Like before, click on the tab icon in private, and click on the plus to add a tab. The Opera, here click on the taskbar icon, switch to the private, and click on the red plus. And the last one, Google Chrome, click here on the arrow icon or three-dot icon, choose new Incognito tab, and now in the Incognito mode your history, cookies, files, completed forms, even the words on the keyboard will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.